We got that punch card for real. With almond milk and sugar-free vanilla. Oh, I don't even know my cards.
People are gonna see this and be like,
Guys, we go back and forth. Like a good couple should. Thank you. Tell.
wait.
Free. We get 2. We ordered 2 drinks.
So they give us 4?
This is from the whole week and stuff. That hit. There's a chicken.
It's gone.
Oh. Got our boogie boards. It's about to be a competition.
Oh, we got some boogie
Getting
boarders
a
out
knot.
there.
Oh, see, our friends.
Dude, these waves
Our
are...
fellow boogie boarders. The rock, dude. A lot of people jump off that cliff. I ain't about that life.
Oh, she's busy today.
Look at the seal. The seal on the beach.
Alright, we need something to put there. How about that water bottle?
I can't believe there's a seal. People are. That's so good. Come on, get it down. That's crazy. Be out here, closer. Do we get yelled at?
It looks like you're on Baywatch.
Man. I need a break.
Okay.
Family photo.
All right. You're dosed up. Strap in. So I don't lose my board. Yeah! First one. Wow. Hurt. So good.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
Okay. We look like beached whales. That looks hilarious. That was good. Brush my hair. Just brushing my hair on the beach in Hawaii. You know how it be.
I feel that.
Chop it up. Where's Vanessa?
Out here in Miami.
No. Ski. Ski. I got sand pebbles in my nose crotch.
Sweet little you showing me a good time. Wait.
Huh?
Sweet little you showing her a good time. Yeah.
What's that?
Nessa Bears.
Oh. Nessa Barrett. We are headed to Living Foods, which is my favorite restaurant, grocery shop on the island. I'll go there for like everything. We were just there earlier, but now we're going back to get some steak and rice. We lost a member. DC for the road. Probably get another one too. No hate. That's how I'm going down, bro. It's fine. Is that a spot? Front row? So my first car, no, my second car, this Bronco but white, and I drove that in Iowa. And then when I moved to Vermont, my dad drove that car to Vermont 23 hours. So that's what I drove in Vermont. And then I moved back to Iowa this past year, and I drove a big Bronco, the big boy, all black, blacked out. And then I was going to ship that here to Hawaii, but I got scared that something bad was gonna happen, like it was gonna fall off the boat or someone was gonna take it. So I decided to just get another black Bronco, but a mini one, which actually works better because it's way easier to drive around the island. So everyone, this is Kiki. She's pretty cute. We're here at Living Foods. Look how cute it is, the lights and everything. We're gonna chill here until it's time to go see the turtles. Yo, that's pretty good. We're about to get good service. Okay, I get the steak frits, and the cut changes like every day. Except I sub the fries for rice, because they have rice everywhere here, and it's amazing. Like, I can get a side of rice with anything I want. And that's literally non-existent in Iowa. It's like an onion ring. So, yeah. I'm like scared to ask for another Diet Coke because I just walked in with this. Hi, can I have 3 Diet Cokes, please? Yeah.
Yeah, you're good, thank you.
Fire. Twinsies. Butter steak.
It's a sow. Good old chicken sow.
Ah! We just finished dinner, our steak dinner, and now we're coming to Turtle Beach because all the turtles come up at sunset, so we like to come and see them because they're so cute. It's actually called a honu.
A what?
A honu.
What's a honu?
It's a turtle. We're gonna go see the honus. Where they at?
What a honu's at?
They have a whole crowd.
Why didn't you just get it the first time?
Turtle.
A nunu. Wait.
I like turtles. Tour going on here.
Oh, really?
Full breaches. All the way out of the water. 5 of them. 5, 6. Just right here? Full breach. Yeah, like right out here.
Whales?
Whales. All the way out of the water. Yep.
That's the closest we've ever been to a turtle. Wow. Love is cool.
Look at that one.
I don't like all the people. You look so cute. I'm trying to get that aesthetic. We missed the whales. That's crazy. A few miles out, there's just some whales jumping. We're sitting at Papa Squat. Toes over the burst. That'd be me. I would lead the pack to the beach.
The good spot's over here, boys.
Turtle. Look at them all pulling up.
Coming to the gang.
We're done. We gotta go get gelato.
We out.
Saturday night. Yes! Okay, after you eat, you get in a pretty bad mood because you're digesting. And for me, like, the food hasn't hit yet, so I'm still hangry, you know? And then when it hits and your blood sugar levels out, everyone gets in a happy mood, and you get the nighttime zoomies, and then you get gelato. And it's a great night. And you see turtles. Oh no. So Caleb, what have you been up to?
I was just driving over here.
Me too. Have you guys seen the cat? Okay, we were at the turtles, and then Vanessa texted us that we should get gelato. So I said yes, and now we're here. I was like, hello, we were at the turtles.
I think I'm gonna get salt ponds because it's so good.
Salt ponds.
Or Kawaii Crunch.
No, I get that dairy-free, good.
I might get a massive milkshake full of salt
You
ponds.
should. Sorry. And then we can weigh you afterwards.
Lily Koi, passion fruit, really good.
I'm gonna get 2 scoops.
Yeah.
Try 3.
No.
I got.
I love a gelato spoon. Yeah, get with it. Scan, please. Toes included.
Oh my god.